You're struggling a bit with the recoil. It's nothing to be sorry about. Learning how to fire a weapon takes time. Now, just focus on the target, put the muzzle brake on your shoulder, and just wait until you get a clear shot. On's a shot, Stephanie. High five. I suppose we can wrap it up here for today. I suppose the old man never had time to tell you. We were about to hear Ain't No Barbie story. It's highly confidential, so don't repeat this to anyone else. Promise? Alrighty. Initially, my career started out with me being a casual sniper in the army, hiding in the shadows and killing targets from above. Somehow, somewhere, my talents were recognised and I was drafted into a smaller strike force, the Heatback Division. A team comprised of only the best, to put it bluntly. We stabilised global security across the globe and put a stop to existential threats. It's because of the nature of the enemies we hunted down, our efforts were never shown to the public. But we were heroes in our own rights. Nah, not officially. It's just a nickname your old dad jokingly gave me. Ah, no, don't worry. We kept the world safe for a while, at least until everything went a bit wrong, which led to our final mission.
Sire, we are ready.
Proceed with loading the bombs.
They're preparing to fire the bomb. This is ideally our time to strike. So any of you copy? What's wrong?
Nigel, are you in position?
In position, sir.
There are multiple terrorists in the ground floor, so proceed with caution.
We're the Heatback Division. We got this.
Harley Poone, if you may.
Enemy in the building. I advise you.
We worked so hard on it, and I'm not backing down. Fend them off. Start with the UK now. To hell with all of you.
Have to wait until the miniguns overheat.
Bad idea. By the time that happens, the bomb would be deployed.
Could you snap him, Nigel?
I don't got a clear shot.
We're doomed. It was an honor serving with you.
Good job, soldier.
Way to go, Pierce. Good on you, mate.
Come here.
No!
Daddy? Daddy, no.
That particular soldier, we never saw again. The government disbanded us, and I lost touch with the others. Except your dad, of course. If it wasn't for him, we simply just wouldn't be here today. I miss them both as well. Your generation doesn't deserve such conflict. Pierre's had a good life. He'd want you to have one too.
What's wrong? Change the railroad. It's going.
Oh, hello Disruptor. Heard you had a run-in with Pia Clone and things went horribly for him.
You're mad about that too?
Yes, I am Disruptor. I don't blame you though, you couldn't have possibly known.
Look, Tender, I did a string of basic missions and I have some cash. The rest should hopefully be coming.
That's splendid. Wish it had been earlier.
What now, Tender? Master Cleanser?
If you have the money, now would be an amazing time.
Brother, please don't raise your voice.
What good your $50 did? What good?
Master Cleanser? Dad? I'm sorry if I let you down in any regard. I don't want this virus to take you or anyone else here. Deleter, I have $210 from some extra assassinations.
It's the end Disruptor. I tried getting my kids vaccinated, but our local health care center refused.
My efforts were for nothing?
No, they weren't.
We just need more cash than expected.
Disruptor?
I could hear the chalk of a parent scribbling on blank sheets of paper. You better not be writing a report on me, for that I know where you live. That denies my professionalism. Apologies for my assumptions.
Alright, gents. I know that we started off sloppy, but our last interrogation was fantastic. So let's keep the ball rolling with this one. The last guy I need you to confront is Nigel Morris. Don't know much about him, but he ain't living in America.
Hardest for last. I like it.
Last time I heard he was residing in France, correct?
Indeed, Beetle. But you know what to do. Good luck.
Got that, gentlemen?
Affirmative.
Any questions, Disruptor?
Nelson, why haven't I received my 500 yet?
For the Paraclone assassination,
Yes, Nelson?
I don't know why. The money would have transferred by now.
Bullshit, I can't be scammed like this again!
Sorry, Disruptor. If you were to receive it, you have the USB correct. Let me contact him and see if I can sort it out.
And hurry too. Time is not on my side.
So that's why your brother doesn't like having dinner with you. Oh.
Couldn't help but notice you two were chatting about something.
Indeed, my enigmatic friend. How are you doing?
Thoroughly pissed, thanks for asking. You guys doing anything special?
Since I've recently joined and whatnot, Stephanie's going to show me around the local area. And have dinner as well.
Well, being the actual American here, I'm keen to show you around too, Joshua.
European to European, innit?
It would be nice to hang out, but I guess Stephanie is the better woman for the job. I'll see you two around.
He took it more reasonably than I expected. There's nothing to worry about.
Are we both early, sir?
Nigel, the days of calling me sir have long since been gone. I'm happy for you to refer me by my name. That's an order.
Yeah, no thanks, sir. I'm kidding. Tyler, where are the others? How are we going to deal with these USBs?
Haven't you heard? Bender was assassinated. The Pycon? I have not a clue where he is, but the fact that he's not there worries me.
This is shocking. Have you come into contact with the other hostiles?
No, really. However, I did decide to hand over my USB to the press.
Who killed him?
Mercenaries, probably.
So, do any of your friends and family know that you were... That's surprising. Then again, Venante knows full well I deal arms. How come? I doubt he'd think that way. I refuse to believe what you describe yourself. You're sweet. Indeed I am. Pleasure to meet you, Ezra. No, none the slightest at all.
Change of plans. No. Do you just so happen to know Nigel Lewis?
Nice try, but I already know you know far better.
Are you kidding? I was hoping for an international manhunt. Those are my favorite.
Efficiency is the hitman's strongest asset, not a thirst for blood.
Oh, come on. Have you ever seen Disruptor on a mission? He shoots before he thinks.
But so do you, Chris. Don't think a little stunt yesterday afternoon went unheard.
Well, fuck you.
So following her will lead to the target?
What else do you think, idiot?
Oh, I'm sorry. Should we continue our conversation from yesterday?
No, it won't even be necessary.
So, Chris, inform me. What was the point of all this nonsense?
Ah, Beetle. Just mindless fun.
Yes!
Are you okay?
My favourite twins. Together at last. Hello, Steph. It's been a while, has it not? Can't recall the last time you've called me. Nah, don't feel bad. I'm always still gonna be around. Tell me, who's this pom right here? Got yourself a boyfriend finally?
Stephanie, What does he mean by the word POM exactly?
You really got it.
Oh yeah, Joshua, right?
Yep, pleasure to meet you, sir.
Oh, keeping us on track as usual. That's my girl.
I could do some with beer right now.
Blimey, Harley, did you see how far I've flown, huh?
Harley Whippet. Right on time.
You promised us a manhunt. This was a little easy.
Oh no, Little Miss Journalist isn't the target here. I just have unfinished business from yesterday. Unfortunately, our really good friend Disruptor knows what I'm on about. Right?
Chris, you asshole!
Me? An asshole? I might know more about your three-eyed friend that I keep forgetting the name of than you do.
Come on, Chris. Let's scramble and deal with this loser later.
No. Well, come on, wuss. We don't have all night.